Your eyes can speak volumes long before your words ever do. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal ways to connect with others, signaling confidence, attentiveness, and sincerity. For anyone striving to become more extroverted, mastering the art of eye contact can change how others perceive you, and more importantly, how you perceive yourself. In this task, the focus is on developing the habit of maintaining steady, comfortable eye contact during conversations. Eye contact builds trust and connection. It shows people that they have your attention and respect. Yet, for many, maintaining eye contact can feel intimidating or too intense. Learning to sustain eye contact is a key step in developing meaningful interactions. When you master eye contact, you cultivate trust by signaling to others that they are valued and understood. It also projects confidence, even when you might feel nervous. Beyond that, it enhances communication by keeping you fully present and engaged in conversations. By practicing this skill, you'll deepen your connections with others while boosting your self-assurance. Your mission is to practice maintaining steady eye contact for at least 3 seconds during a conversation or casual interaction. Begin small. Choose low-pressure situations like interactions with a cashier, barista, or co-worker. When opportunity arises, make steady eye contact and count silently to 3. This doesn't mean staring. Just maintain a relaxed, steady gaze. Pair your eye contact with a warm smile to soften the interaction and prevent it from feeling overly intense. Focus on active listening, paying attention to what the other person is saying, and let your eye contact reinforce your attentiveness. Allow for natural breaks in your gaze to keep the interaction comfortable and organic. Practicing eye contact helps you stay present during interactions, even when they feel slightly uncomfortable. It enhances your ability to read nonverbal cues, allowing you to better understand subtle expressions and emotions. Each successful attempt builds your confidence, showing you that authentic engagement is within your reach. It's normal to feel self-conscious at first, but try to shift your focus outward. Think of eye contact as a way to respect the other person, rather than as something to be overly conscious about yourself. Don't stress about timing. The 3-second guideline is just that, a guide. Let the interaction flow naturally. If you worry that your gaze might feel too intense, balance it with friendly gestures like a smile or a slight nod. Take time to think about how your interactions went. Did eye contact feel more natural as the day progressed? How did others respond when you held steady eye contact? Were you able to notice any emotions or subtle cues in their expressions? Reflect on your own feelings. Did you sense nervousness, confidence, or calmness? Use these reflections to plan how you'll approach tomorrow's interactions. Mastering eye contact is a small but powerful step toward building meaningful connections. Today, you demonstrated that you are present, engaged, and confident. These moments of connection lay the groundwork for stronger relationships and better communication. Tomorrow, you'll build on this progress by exploring the art of small talk, a practical tool for initiating conversations and creating rapport.